AI is the future. But let me ask you something. If I gave you $1 million to explain the difference between AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI, could you? We live in a world where AI writes emails, designs logos, and even diagnoses illnesses. Yet most people lump all these tools together under the vague label AI. Artificial intelligence is like a digital brain capable of learning, solving problems, and recognizing patterns. In the 1950s, we built AI systems using simple rule-based programming. They didn't learn, just followed orders. Then came a major shift, teaching machines to learn from data. Welcome to machine learning. From Netflix recommendations to fraud detection in banks, ML is revolutionizing interaction with data. Deep learning is like a multi-layered brain where each layer understands more complex features, from lines to recognizing a cat. Yet, the black box problem means even experts sometimes can't pinpoint exactly how decisions are made. Generative AI goes beyond analysis. It creates entirely new content, from text and images to music and videos. This creative process fuels debate. Is it genuine creativity or simply a remix of existing data? But remember, these tools come with significant responsibilities and potential pitfalls. AI isn't science fiction anymore, it's shaping our future. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay ahead. Join us in shaping the AI revolution. Your future starts now.